This presentation is the Logistics Service Improvement Project for the University of Arizona Global Campus. The course is Project and Operations Management, and the instructor is Dr. Ronald Beach. So why are we here? Hello, everyone. My name is Tamara Elamine, and I would like to speak with you about project management. First, raise your hand if you know what a project is. Okay. Now keep your hands raised if you know what a project team is. One more question. Raise your hand if you know what project management is. Thank you all very much for participating. You can put your hands down. For those of you who do not know what a project is, I am going to tell you. According to Kloppenborg, Anatatumla, and Wells, a project is about a time-bound effort that includes goals, budgets, and resources to implement a task, product, or service. A project team is comprised of stakeholders who will conduct the work to implement the product, service, or task. When you put together a project team, it's not uncommon for the team to include individuals who may not have any skin in the game. However, they are included to ensure the project work follows laws and regulation. Based on the definition of a project and project team, I am sure you can guess what I'm going to say about the project management. Project management is a person, or it can be a person or software, that works the project from beginning to end to ensure the stakeholder has the resources and tools needed to implement the project by outlining each step along the way. Part of the project management process includes ensuring milestones are met and the project stays on time and on budget. The primary goals for this project are to expand the company by securing a contract with Walmart, meet all timelines for implementing the necessary products or services to obtain the new business, and ensure we continue exemplifying corporate social responsibility. As the DLS stated, Walmart is expanding into New Zealand and will require not only a method to transport their merchandise, but also a place to store it. Our organization has what Walmart needs. We have a warehouse and trucks, as well as 100 employees who can carry out this task. Our organization has the opportunity to meet their needs if we take the necessary steps to put together a project team that will help facilitate the transition for Walmart into New Zealand. To meet our goal of expansion, the organization must first determine when Walmart will be ready to start receiving their merchandise and how much space they will need. The timeline will help the project manager determine how best to facilitate the implementation of the project. Next, as Walmart is an advocate for corporate social responsibility, it's important to show the company we will be aligned with their mission. Barsick et al. Explains there are many ways of achieving corporate social responsibility, and it's up to each organization to determine what will work best for them. What this means for our organization is, prior to presenting Walmart with our proposal, it is important to ensure our values align with theirs, and if they do not, know what type of changes may be required to establish the relationship. As a project manager, my primary focus will be on the scope of the project, the quality of the project, the time it takes to complete the project, and the overall budget for the project. The scope of the project defines what the stakeholder is trying to accomplish, and it is not uncommon for the project team to uncover additional information or concerns during the process. However, it is up to the project manager to keep things on track. Next, it's important to ensure the quality of work is meeting the stakeholder standards. When the work does not meet the minimum standards of the stakeholders, it could lead to future issues that may result in greater expenses. The last two areas of importance when it comes to planning are time and budget. It's important to stay on track with time and budget because depending on the requirements of the project, the stakeholder will have a stated timeline for completing that project, and not meeting those timelines can result in additional costs that were not previously budgeted for. Being a good project manager means having an awareness of all the goals, not just the four stated, but every last goal of the project, and at a minimum, having a conversation with the stakeholder throughout the process to determine which items they can forego if it's determined that one of any of their goals will cause the project not to continue to move forward. This has been my presentation. I appreciate you taking the time to listen to me. Thank you.